In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download OBS and start with your first project. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talhali, and in today's video I will show you how to download and start your first project on OBS Studio. So let's jump to the computer screen. Okay, so first of all you will have to go to google.com and then type OBS download and then click on the first link, download OBS Studio, right? And then scroll down a little and then click on download installer. I already have installed that on my computer, but still I'm gonna show you. So once you click on download installer, it's gonna show you this downloader box. You just need to click on save to start downloading, and once it's download, just click on that. So this is the installer setup. You just need to click next, and this one is saying OBS Studio is already running because I'm recording using the OBS Studio. So all you just need to click on next and install. It's gonna install on your computer. It's not difficult to install. Okay, so once your OBS is installed, it's gonna look something like this, but right now you can just ignore the screen and ignore everything whatever is on the screen. So there would be only scene 1 that's by default. So if you wanna go with the scene 1, like with the starting, I would recommend go with that one, but right here I want to show you things, so I'm gonna click on create a scene, a test scene. So we are now under test scene, and you see my screen is gone, my video is gone, because you have to add things one by one. So by default there is nothing, it's gonna be just a blank screen. So you click on the plus sign and you can add whatever you want. I will tell you step by step. So if you want to just capture any applications audio, like if you're playing game, you just want to capture the audio, you can use that. So it's input capture. Like if you have external mic, a USB mic, you can click on that one and add a mic. If you want to add a speaker, you can add from here. If you want to just record a browser, not like your whole screen. So the most used option, which is display capture. So this is going to be your LCD recording. Whatever you want to record on your LCD, it's gonna show up here, and then you can add some images, media source, and you can import like other scene as well. And this one is for the text. If you want to add any text on the video to show up in your entire video. This one is also a most used feature, the video capture device. This is your webcam or your attached camera. So I'm going to add a display capture first, so you will have to create a new one. I already have one, so I can click on add existing, or I can create new one. When I click on that, it says capture automatically, so I'm gonna capture this screen. I have 2 LCDs, so I can select any of them. So I'm gonna select this one because I'm showing you guys this screen. So I'm gonna add this one, and then I will add video capture device, which is going to be my webcam. So I already have one, so I'm gonna click on that. Otherwise, if I click on add new, it's gonna ask me which one you want. So I can select any of them, but currently I did not select any, so I'm gonna remove this one. And I'm going to add the one I already have. So once I added this one, you can see it's showing me my webcam here. I can adjust the size, and if you want to know how to like change your webcam style, the face cam style, like you can see my face cam is coming in the round shape. You just need to click on that video and you will be redirected to that video, and that's super easy. And I provided the link to download 10 different styles of your face cam. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.